Hey, wait. Don't scroll. So I'm Dr. Apple. I'm not here to scare you or confuse you with big medical words. I explain health the simple way. What helps your body, what harms it, and what really matters.
I'm garlic. Eat me and I release allicin, which creates oxidative stress that bacteria and parasites struggle to survive.
I'm a raw carrot. Eat me and my insoluble fiber physically sweeps the gut so parasites and waste can't cling to the intestinal walls.
I'm coconut oil. Eat me and I supply lauric acid, which turns into monolaurin that dissolves the outer coating of certain bacteria and parasites.
I'm wormwood tea. Take me in moderation and my bitter plant chemicals interfere with worms' nervous system, making the gut unlivable for them.
I'm clove. I release eugenol, which stops bacteria from reproducing and disrupts parasites' metabolism.